next, we'll be taking a look at the soon-to-be released Dil Bechara. The trailer to the film adaptation of The Fault in Our Stars by John Green has just dropped online, and the anticipation? Well, let's put it this way. It's a bittersweet feeling to know that we'll be fortunate enough to watch Sushant Singh Rajput one last time in a fictional world doing something that the actor loved doing before his untimely demise. In this video, we'll be counting down 5 lesser known facts about Dil Bechara, but before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to Filmantra if you haven't already and press the bell icon to never miss an update. With that out of the way, this is Amir and here are 5 need-to-know facts about Dil Bechara. Number 5. First off, 7 Disney Hotstar exclusives. The global pandemic has put many major plans to rest, and one of the biggest industries to suffer the brunt of it is that of the film exhibitors. With no theatrical release in sight, producers have started to divert their business to online streaming platforms in India, and as it stands, it appears as though Disney Hotstar has surpassed all of its competitors by bagging streaming rights to several films scheduled to be released this year. The list, which includes biggies such as Akshay Kumar's Lakshmi Bomb and Ajay Devgan's Bujh, will be kickstarted by Sushant Singh Rajput's Dil Bechara, scheduled to be released first on July 24th this year. Following the demise of the beloved actor, as a goodwill gesture from Disney Hotstar's side, it was announced on 25th of June that the movie would not only be available for subscribers, but also to non-subscribers, making it a free watch for all. Number 4. Not her first film. Dil Bechara will see Sushant Singh Rajput sharing the screen with Sanjana Sanghi in the lead, a new face in the industry who looks pretty promising going by the trailer. But is it her Bollywood debut? Absolutely not. A lesser known fact is that Sanghi made her Bollywood debut at the age of 14 in the 2011 Imtiaz Ali directorial Rockstar, where she played the role of Mandy, Heer's younger sister whose heartfelt monologue just before the chartbuster Nadan Parinde became extremely popular among the cine lovers. She was then seen playing the teenage role of Sabaa Kamar's Meeta in the delightfully charming 2017 drama Hindi Medium, and was also casted for a short role as Carrie for Fukre Returns in the same year. Dil Bechara, however, is the first time the young actor will appear in a full-fledged lead role, and we hope that The Outsider is able to impress the masses for a sustained presence in the film industry going forward. Number 3. A promise kept by Sushant. Famous casting director Mukesh Chhabra has worn the director's hat for the first time for this romantic drama. The debutant director has had no less than a spectacular career as a casting director since 2011, where he was responsible for casting choices in some of the most celebrated acting performances and debuts of the decade, including both Dil Bechara's lead actor's first films, Kai Po Che and Rockstar respectively, and other masterful casting choices from the past decade, like that in Shahid, Gangs of Wasipur, Tamasha, Ugly, Haider, Sanju, and Dangal. Upon the news of the film being available for free, the casting director turned filmmaker disclosed his joy and went on record saying that Sushant had promised him right in the beginning to be in his first film whenever he decided to make it. Not only did Sushant agree to be a part of the film without even reading the script, he also acted as a close friend for Chhabra on set, constantly providing a helping hand in the creative process as well. Number 2. A Nawab's cameo. While not yet officially confirmed, it's pretty safe to expect Saif Ali Khan making a cameo appearance in this Sushant Singh Rajput starrer. Here's what we know so far about the role. The Fault in Our Stars by John Green was first adapted into a Hollywood flick starring Shailene Woodley and Ansel Elgort. There's a scene where the lead characters visit Paris to meet the girl's favorite author Peter Van Houten, whose arrogant behavior leaves them disappointed. This author's role is the one that will most likely be reprised by Khan in the Indian adaptation of the novel. While like any adaptation, there are always high chances of creative changes, the fact that Dil Bechara was shot in Paris too makes us believe that this scene will definitely be a part of the remake. And number 1. Several production issues. Dil Bechara, for the lack of a better expression, has seen a lot before finally having a confirmed release date. For starters, the film, which was announced nearly 3 years ago in March 2018, was initiated in July 2018 with an announced name of Kizzy or Manny, which was then changed to Dil Bechara in February 2019. The filming also had to be stalled for months at end due to the Me Too allegations on the director Mukesh Chhabra, for which he was not found guilty of later on. The film, which had been slated to hit the theaters in November of 2019, had to be delayed for a May 2020 release due to the same production issues. However, by the time May 2020 hit our calendars, we were well into the global pandemic, leading to yet another change of plans, which saw the final decision being made by Foxstar Studios to direct the film towards a digital release. This is where Disney Hotstar came into the mix, and we finally got a release date. And there you have it, guys. 5 things you need to know about Dil Bechara. Do you agree with our list? Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Film Mentor for more exciting content ahead. With that out of the way, have a safe week ahead. My name is Amir, and I will see you soon.